I'm Ron DeLuca, and this is Tech Breakdown from eDesign It. Today, we're talking all about AI and edge computing. But before we do that, make sure you like and follow. Integrating artificial intelligence and edge computing is changing the way industries and consumers interact with technology. By shifting computations closer to where data is generated, edge computing significantly reduces latency, improves data security, and enhances real-time decision-making capabilities of AI. What is the role of AI at the edge? AI at the edge leverages this localized computing model to perform real-time analytics and decision-making. AI models deployed on edge devices analyze data as it is generated, enabling applications that demand immediate responsiveness, such as autonomous vehicles, predictive maintenance in industries, and smart home devices. Some of the key benefits of AI at the edge include reduced latency, improved data security, and bandwidth efficiency. Industries such as manufacturing and energy are adopting AI edge computing. Predictive maintenance uses edge AI to analyze sensor data from machinery and predict failures before they occur, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. In quality control, AI models deployed at the edge inspect products in real time, ensuring consistent quality without the need for manual checks. How is AI in the edge working with consumer applications? The impact of edge AI extends to consumer technologies, making smart devices more intuitive. AI chips in smartphones enable advanced features like facial recognition, image enhancement, and augmented reality, all processed locally for faster performance. Wearables, such as health monitoring, use edge AI to monitor biometrics in real time, providing instant feedback on user health metrics. Implementing AI at the edge comes with challenges. Edge devices often have limited computational power and energy resources. Deploying AI models across a wide network of edge devices requires robust management and updated mechanisms. Advances in edge AI hardware, such as specialized chips and optimized algorithms, are addressing these limitations. The rise of 5G networks will also help expand edge AI with more reliable and faster data rates. AI at the edge is poised to redefine real-time decision-making for consumer and industrial electronics. For more on electronics, make sure you like and follow eDesign It, and for more engineering videos, visit eevids.com.